Hi there, students. To adjure. To adjure. This is to ask somebody to do something, to beg somebody to do something, to entreat them to do something. So please, please, please do this. Yeah? I adjure you to stay. Please don't go because it's pouring with rain out there. But she wouldn't listen to him. Okay, so it's to ask somebody, but very strongly, to do something. Yeah? To ask them earnestly, I adjure you to tell me what happened. Don't keep it to yourself. Yeah? To urge somebody really strongly. He adjured the children not to get into a car with a stranger. So to advise somebody very sincerely, to order them, if you like, to command somebody to do something, to give somebody the rules. So I adjure you not to do it. Yeah, I want you to swear to me that you're not going to do that. I adjure you not to do it. Yeah, it's like to try and get an oath or a promise from somebody that they won't do something. Yeah, it's giving a formal command. Yeah, is to appeal to somebody earnestly, solemnly. Please, please, please don't do this. I beg you not to do it. Yeah. I adjure people not to leave lights on or to leave the doors open. Yeah. Okay, so it's a really formal way of saying to beg someone to do something, to enjoin somebody to do something. Yeah? I adjure you to tell me the truth, and then we can actually progress with this. Okay, so to adjure, to tell them that they've really got to do something, to really ask them to do something. You're begging them or imploring them, please do it like this. Yeah, so whatever you do, I adjure you not to give him any money. Yeah, because he'll just spend it on drugs. Okay, I adjure you to do this, to adjure somebody to do something. Yeah, I adjure you as a member of an upstanding member of society, to help these people. So to beseech, to entreat, to press, to ask really, really strongly, or to order somebody to do something. Okay? So let's see. Formality. This is a formal word. I think I'm going to give this 7.5 in formality. Use in a semi-formal conversation. Better a semi-formal writing or something very formal. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from Latin. Ad near, and euro, to swear by oath. So I'm trying to get you to swear to do this, to promise to do this. Yeah, it's like trying to extract an oath, a promise from somebody that they're not going to do something, or that they are going to do something. So I think that's probably enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. I adjure you to give it a rating. Bye for now. Adjure.